My name is Andi Bühler. This is the DrumCode singles and doubles. Today we're going to combine single strokes and double strokes. Sounds like this. Probably the most famous combination of singles and doubles is the paradiddle. Sounds like this. Paradiddle, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Our strokes always come in pairs. So obviously the double strokes are always two strokes. The single strokes, in our case, always come in a pair too. So we never have one hand alone with one single stroke. We always have two strokes. So if you start with the right hand, there is another left hand. If you start with the left hand, there is another right hand. Okay. So if we play it with the spots, I mean, we want to make an exercise out of it. We have a black spot, that's single strokes. So one black spot is right-left or left-right. And a white spot is only a double stroke with one hand. So white or with the left hand. Let's take a look at the 8 combinations. Number 1 is black, white, white. That makes 6 strokes, or let's say 3 pairs of strokes. So black, white, white, black, white, white, black, white, white, black, white, white. Number 2, white, black, white, white, black, white. You can count 1 and 2 and 3 and again number 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and number 3, white, white, black, white, white, black, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and number 4, black, black, white, black, black, white, black, black, white. So here, now when you repeat the whole thing, the hands change because in the end you have the double stroke, 1 and 2 and double. So next time you start with the left hand. 1, 2, double. 1 and 2 and double. 1 and 2 and double. Black, black, white. Black, black, white. Black, black, white. Black, black, white. On the drum set, we're playing the single strokes on the snare drum, and we're playing the double strokes on the toms. Right hand always plays the floor tom, left hand always plays the high tom. Number 4 again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Back to number 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and black, white, white. right, and especially in that 3-spot section, you can count in 3, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Every spot is on the pulse. 1, 2, 3, black, white, white, black, white, white. I'm playing the waltz pattern with my feet. White, white, white. Or you're counting in 6, 8. So it's not 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, same tempo, but the pulse is now on 1 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, black, white, white, black, white, white. Bring the tempo up, then it feels like playing 60 in triplets. All right, do that with number 4, then you change when you repeat, you change the hand when you repeat. Or in the waltz feel, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Okay, you can go through the whole 3-spot section with that thing and develop a lot of fill-in possibilities. Sounds great, makes your hands super fit. So now let's go to the 4-spot section, 16 combinations. Black, white, 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 same concept. All right, so here in the first number you start changing the hands when you repeat it, because it's black, white, 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 black, white, 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 right, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. For me, I always, I guess the best thing is not to think too much. Just try not to play 3 strokes with one hand in a row, like this. So don't do this. Number 1. Don't do that. After the double stroke, there's the opposite hand playing. I know in the beginning it feels a bit strange, but I mean, you remember when you played the paradiddle first, it felt strange as well, but then it becomes a natural thing you just do, right? So I'm playing you the first 5 numbers of the 16 combination in a bit up-tempo thing, all right? So let's hear it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, start again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good for the hands. All right. So keep doing that stuff. Go to the mix it up section. There you find a lot of interesting stuff. And in the end, try to do a little improvisation with everything and find out if your hands are more fit, uh, if you like the sound of it all. I mean, I played everything kind of in the same volume. And even if you play on the toms, don't be too low with a double stroke. Only if you go up with the tempo, I mean, naturally it goes down. Try it out. Write to me, ask questions if something is not clear. All right, so have fun with it. See you soon. Bye.